Hi, I'm Rennell Reed, and welcome to episode 4 of This Dirty House. Today, it's washing a shower curtain. So, first thing you want to do is take the shower curtain off of the bar here by removing these rungs one at a time. When washing a shower curtain, what you'll want to do is wash it by itself. At least that's the way I've been told to do it. When you're done washing the shower curtain, do not put it in the dryer. Simply hang it back up to dry. And that's basically it. You hang it up to dry. That's how you wash a shower curtain on This Dirty House. I'll see you next time. If you like what you've seen, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to light up that bell so you don't miss anything.